Hi, you guys. Hey, I realized that I did not introduce you to this assignment that's going to open up on the 13th, which is tomorrow. So I thought I'd better introduce it to you. So this is called Design Your Own Playing Card, and you're going to be asked to design and create your own playing card. And before you do that, I'd like you to read the history of the playing cards, and that is listed right up here. This is what it's going to look like when it opens up. And then I've asked you to take a closer look. Have you ever really thought about how well designed playing cards are? You might scoff at this notion, but I'm quite serious. And there's a shining example of the marriage of aesthetics and usability into a coherent and nearly perfect product. So, as an exercise in how to learn from the amazing design all around you, try to clear your mind of everything you know about cards and attempt to look at them for the first time when you're looking at the history of cards. And then also, read on basically from here down. And then the design assignment is really to incorporate your idea of a design for a playing card. Now, normally if I'm in class, I give you guys cards and they're suited on one side. So I might give you a heart, a diamond, a club, whatever, and either a face card or a number card. But in this case, because it's your own card, you can design whatever suit and number is your choice. I ask you to put that on there. And then also make the card your very own. So use the card as almost like introduction to who you are. So if there's a sport that you like to play, or you're into swimming or dancing or gambling or whatever it is, maybe you should try and put that into your card as well. So find a way to express yourself in your own playing card, and then document and post a picture of your card here in this assignment. And so what is the point? The point of the exercise is basically to get you to think about the normal everyday objects around you from artistic perspectives, and to express some characteristics about who you are. And who knew there was so much rich history and logic surrounding why playing cards look the way that they do. As you become aware of the interesting facts about how much art and design goes into silly little things like playing cards that no one ever really notices, you'll find yourself questioning and looking more acutely at the world around you. So just an example, I have some playing cards behind me. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see if I can show you some of those. So those are kind of older cards. That's a little montage on the wall. Normally I would have you a card of students to show you, but I don't at the moment. So anyway, I hope you have fun with the assignment. I really look forward to seeing your cards that you design and posting them so that I can view them. And thanks a lot. Okay, so hopefully that'll help you with the assignment. I apologize for not explaining that sooner, but it's probably a good thing that I just made a separate video just for that. All right, have a great rest of the week. Bye.